Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I will be opening this Candy Club subscription box. And if you don't know what Candy Club is, it is a monthly subscription box and they send you candy every month. After checking them out online and seeing the type of stuff that comes in their box, it really does seem like the Honeydukes of subscription boxes. So I was really excited to try this. Candy Club did sponsor this video and sent me the product to review. With all that aside, let me give you a little bit of background on me and candy. I am a fan of candy. I started out with Skittles and Starburst being my favorites when I was younger, but then my taste for candy matured, and now my new favorite candy is Airhead's Sour Belts. And these are like rainbow colored strips of like gummy candy, and it's very sour and sweet, and they're just kind of like bathed in sugar. It's like just coating the entire outside of them. So yeah, they're really good. I love sweet and sour stuff, and the Candy Club does have two types of subscription boxes. You can get the sweet box or the sour box, or it's mostly sweet or mostly sour. So I got the mostly sweet because I just wanted to go in with like a traditional type of candy. And also I'm thinking some of this stuff in here I can maybe in another video transform into Honeydukes candies. Anyways, I've talked enough. Let's get this box open. All right. I don't know, it's just the colors that they use. If you can see, it just looks like a Honeydukes color scheme. I love it. We're gonna open this up. I can already smell the sweetness. So here it is. Oh, there's like a bunch of these little rainbow twists in here. So that's nice. You get like all these little rainbow twists, and those look really good. So inside the box, it comes like this. We have these orange gummies, and then we also have these chocolates, and then the candy corns right here. And these are like really big candy corns. Let me get you a better look at each one of these. So these are the gummies, and they're shaped like pumpkins. And here's the chocolates, and right here is the candy corn. So now it's time to eat these, and I'm not a huge fan of like candy corns, so I'm gonna start with the candy corn, just because, you know, I wanna save the best for last. So I'll start off with the candy corns. Wow, that's actually really good. I was expecting those to not be very good because I don't like the candy corns, but it's nothing like what you would expect. The orange flavor of these, oh my God, it's so good. And then the white, I think, is more like a cream, and it's like an orange cream flavored candy, and that's really good and dusted with sugar. And it feels like a marshmallow, and actually it kind of is like the texture of this is almost like a marshmallow and a gummy at the same time. So they're very good. I like this so much, I'm actually gonna eat another one. This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be so bad. I'm gonna eat this entire thing tonight. Okay, so next I'm gonna go for the chocolate. At least I assume it's chocolate. It smells like chocolate, so yeah, it's gotta be chocolate. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, it's chocolate, but it's also peanut butter. And there's something else that's kind of like crunchy inside. I'm not sure what it is. It's crispy, but yeah, so it has a crispy center, but it's milk chocolate. And I'm not a big fan of milk chocolate. These aren't my favorite. I thought that I would like the chocolate things more than the candy corns, but I don't. I'm gonna see what's on the inside. So this is actually a pretzel coated with chocolate, milk chocolate, and peanut butter on the outside. I knew it looked a little light to be milk chocolate, so that's peanut butter. But they're good. I mean, they're not bad, just not my favorite. So now let's go in for the gummies. And these are little pumpkin gummies. There's orange ones and yellow ones. So I'm gonna try one of each. So I'll try the yellow one first. It's very lemony. I love gummies so much. Okay, now the orange one. Yep. These are good. Normally I would say that I like the orange more, but the yellow ones, surprisingly, they're usually not my favorite, the yellow, because I'm not a big fan of lemon. I like lemonade, but like lemon drops, I guess lemon drops are pretty good. But you know, the yellow candies usually aren't my favorites. But this one just has such flavor that it kind of beats that orange, the orange one. They're very good and kind of melt in your mouth too. Very sweet, but of course that's what you'd expect. So, out of these three, surprisingly, the candy corns are my favorite. And in reality, candy corns are one of my least favorite candies, so that's pretty good if these are my favorite. I shouldn't have eaten that last candy corn. And now I just realized I never ate these rainbow twists. So I'm gonna try one of these next. And I wonder, these are probably something that they just toss into every box. You get 3 containers, 3 jars of candy, and then just they toss maybe some random other type of candy in there. Ooh, those are good. It's hard, but it's soft enough that you can bite into it without like hurting your teeth, like a jawbreaker or something. And this actually came with a you know, like an insert, just like any other subscription box, and it tells you what you got. The theme for this box is Autumn Gold. We had Vital Candy Corn Gummy Drops, Sweet and Bouncy Candy Corn Flavored Gummy Drops, a new twist on an autumn classic, Albany's Milk Chocolate Peanut Butter Pretzel Bites. Get your snack on with these sweet, salty, creamy, crunchy, chocolatey, peanut buttery morsels of delight. And Albany's Gummy Pumpkins. With their bright, juicy fruit flavors, these succulent gummy jack-o'-lanterns squash the competition. And then the bonus candy was Atkinson's Rainbow Twists. These cheery, cherry-flavored hard candies come adorned with a dazzling display of rainbow stripes. And there's also nutrition facts on the back as well. So the ingredients, we have corn syrup as the very first ingredient, of course, in the gummies. Corn syrup, cornstarch, artificial flavors, artificial color. So yeah, I mean, they're clearly not healthy candy, but that's kind of an oxymoron anyways. Very nice to have all the nutritional facts with that as well. And I love that it has this little teal stripe around the bottom and then the white rim around the lid. It really does remind me of Honeydukes. So I'm totally going to be using this in the future for a DIY on Honeydukes. So now when it comes to pricing for this, it's $35 per month. You do get quite a lot of candy though, and each one of these jars would be about $11.60. So yeah, the price point might be a little bit high, but they do have a deal going on right now where you can get, I think it's like $20 off your box, off your first box. So if you went in and just wanted to try 1 month to see if you liked it, it's only gonna cost you $19.99, and that's definitely worth it. But if you know that you're into candy and you know you're gonna like something like this, they have a 6-month plan as well that's $14.99 for your first box. So that's like over half off. And then they also have a 12-month plan if you are just crazy about candy, and the first box on that is $9.99. So that's just crazy. I would buy this for $9.99 any day. Stay tuned for a future DIY because I am definitely gonna be transforming these into Honeydukes candies. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video today. If you're interested in Candy Club, check out the link in the description box. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.